Many SUV buyers don't realize they made a bad choice until years later, when the repair bills start adding up, reliability issues appear, and the excitement of ownership fades. Today, we're showing you the SUVs that consistently deliver where it really matters, along with the key reasons they outperform the rest in real-world ownership. These are the smart choices that help owners save money, avoid frustration, and feel confident long after the purchase. Choosing the right SUV isn't just about looks, features, or the sticker price. It's about how that vehicle performs over time. Some SUVs prove themselves year after year with strong reliability, reasonable ownership costs, and solid real-world performance, while others quietly become expensive disappointments. In this video, we're revealing the 10 best SUVs that stand out for the right reasons. We'll break down what makes them dependable, why owners trust them, and how these smart choices can save you thousands over the life of the vehicle. Number 10. Toyota RAV. The Toyota RAV4 makes this list because it consistently proves to be one of the safest and smartest SUV purchases you can make. It has built a reputation for long-term reliability, meaning owners aren't constantly dealing with unexpected repairs or mechanical issues as the years go by. One of the biggest reasons to buy the RAV4 is how well it balances efficiency and practicality. It delivers strong fuel economy for its class, while still offering enough interior space for families, road trips, and everyday errands. The cabin is well laid out, comfortable, and designed with long-term use in mind, rather than flashy features that don't last. Safety is another major strength. The RAV4 scores well in crash testing and comes equipped with advanced safety features that help protect both drivers and passengers. On top of that, it holds its value exceptionally well, which means less depreciation if you decide to sell or trade it in later. If you want an SUV that's dependable, affordable to own, and proven to perform year after year, the Toyota RAV4 is an easy choice. Number 9. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V earns its spot thanks to its excellent balance of comfort, reliability, and everyday usability. It's an SUV designed for real-world driving, offering a smooth ride and a refined driving experience that makes it easy to live with on a daily basis. One of the standout reasons to buy the CR-V is its spacious interior. Both passengers and cargo benefit from a smart, efficient design that makes the most of every inch of space. Whether you're commuting, traveling with family, or hauling gear, the CR-V handles it all with ease. Long-term ownership is where this SUV really shines. The CR-V is known for reasonable maintenance costs and a strong track record of reliability, which means fewer trips to the repair shop and lower expenses over time. It also delivers solid fuel efficiency, helping owners save money at the pump. For buyers looking for a comfortable, practical SUV that offers peace of mind and long-term value, the Honda CR-V remains one of the most dependable choices you can make. Number 8. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester earns its place on this list thanks to its strong reputation for safety, reliability, and all-weather capability. It's especially popular with buyers who want confidence on the road, no matter the driving conditions. One of the biggest reasons to buy the Forester is its standard all-wheel drive, which gives it an advantage over many competitors, especially in rain, snow, or rough road conditions. Combined with excellent visibility and a stable ride, it inspires confidence behind the wheel. The Forester is also known for high safety scores and advanced driver assist features, making it a great option for families in long-term ownership. Inside, it offers a practical, comfortable cabin with plenty of space for passengers and cargo without feeling bulky or difficult to maneuver. If you're looking for an SUV that prioritizes safety, durability, and real-world usability, the Subaru Forester is a smart and dependable choice. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 stands out for offering something many SUVs struggle to deliver: a premium driving experience without a premium price tag. It combines sharp handling, strong build quality, and impressive reliability into one well-rounded package. One of the key reasons to buy the CX-5 is how it drives. Compared to many SUVs that feel dull or disconnected, the CX-5 feels responsive and controlled, making everyday driving more enjoyable. At the same time, it remains comfortable and quiet, even on longer trips. Inside, the CX-5 offers an upscale interior with high-quality materials and a clean, well-designed layout. Owners also benefit from solid reliability ratings and reasonable maintenance costs, which helps keep long-term ownership expenses in check. For buyers who want an SUV that feels refined, dependable, and genuinely enjoyable to drive, the Mazda CX-5 is an excellent choice. Number 6. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX earns its place on this list for delivering a refined driving experience paired with long-term dependability. It's powered by a smooth, well-proven engine that's designed for consistency rather than stress, which helps explain its strong reliability record over time. What really sets the RX apart is comfort and build quality. The interior is quiet, well-insulated, and finished with high-quality materials that hold up well even after years of use. The ride feels controlled and relaxed, making it ideal for both daily driving and long highway trips. Safety is another strong point, with advanced driver assist features that come standard on most trims. Owners also benefit from lower-than-average maintenance costs for a luxury SUV, which adds to its long-term value. If you're looking for a premium SUV that prioritizes comfort, reliability, and peace of mind, the Lexus RX is a smart and dependable choice. Number 5. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander continues to be one of the most trusted midsize SUVs on the road. It uses a proven, reliable engine that's built for everyday use and long-term durability, making it a favorite among families and long-term owners. Where the Highlander really shines is versatility. It offers a spacious, well-designed interior with comfortable seating and flexible cargo space, making it easy to handle everything from daily commutes to family road trips. The ride quality is smooth and stable, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. Safety ratings are consistently strong, and the Highlander includes a wide range of safety technologies that help protect passengers and reduce driver fatigue. On top of that, ownership costs tend to stay reasonable, and resale value remains high compared to many competitors. For buyers who want a practical, reliable SUV that's built to last and easy to live with, the Toyota Highlander is a solid choice. Number 4. Toyota Venza. The Toyota Venza stands out as an SUV that focuses on comfort, efficiency, and long-term reliability rather than flashy performance. It uses a well-proven hybrid powertrain designed to deliver smooth operation and excellent fuel economy, making it especially appealing to buyers looking to save money over time. Inside, the Venza offers a quiet, upscale cabin with high-quality materials and a clean, modern design. The ride is smooth and refined, making it a great choice for daily commuting as well as longer highway trips. Passengers benefit from comfortable seating and a well-thought-out interior layout. Safety is another area where the Venza performs extremely well. It comes equipped with a full suite of driver assistance features that help reduce fatigue and improve overall confidence behind the wheel. Combined with Toyota's strong reliability record, the Venza is an excellent option for buyers who want comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. Number 3. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback earns its spot by offering a unique blend of SUV capability and everyday practicality. It's powered by a reliable, well-balanced engine that works seamlessly with Subaru's all-wheel drive system, making it a strong option for drivers who deal with varying road and weather conditions. One of the Outback's biggest advantages is versatility. It provides generous cargo space, a comfortable cabin, and excellent visibility, all while remaining easy to drive and maneuver. Whether it's city driving or weekend adventures, the Outback handles a wide range of situations with confidence. Safety ratings are consistently strong, and Subaru's driver assist technologies are well integrated and effective in real-world driving. Add in solid reliability and a loyal owner base, and it's easy to see why the Outback remains one of the most trusted vehicles in its class. Number 2, Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot earns this spot by offering an ideal mix of space, reliability, and everyday usability. It's powered by a proven, dependable engine designed for smooth performance and long-term durability, which helps explain its strong ownership satisfaction. The Pilot's biggest strength is space. It offers a roomy interior with comfortable seating across all rows, making it especially appealing for families and long trips. The cabin is practical, well-designed, and easy to live with, whether you're driving daily or traveling with passengers and cargo. Safety is another key reason buyers choose the Pilot. It consistently earns high safety ratings and comes equipped with driver assistance features that work quietly in the background to reduce stress on the road. Combined with reasonable maintenance costs and strong resale value, the Pilot delivers long-term confidence for owners. If you need a versatile SUV that's built for real life and long-term ownership, the Honda Pilot is an excellent choice. Number 1, Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner earns the number 1 position because of its unmatched reputation for durability and long-term reliability. It uses a robust, time-tested engine that's designed to handle demanding conditions while remaining dependable year after year. What truly separates the 4Runner from many competitors is how well it holds up over time. Owners consistently report fewer major issues, even after high mileage. Its body-on-frame design, solid construction, and rugged build make it a standout choice for drivers who value longevity. Beyond durability, the 4Runner offers strong resale value, excellent off-road capability, and a straightforward design that prioritizes function over unnecessary complexity. It may not chase the latest trends, but it delivers where it matters most: trust and dependability. If you're looking for an SUV that's built to last and proven in real-world conditions, the Toyota 4Runner is the smartest choice you can make. When it comes to buying an SUV, the difference between a smart choice and a costly mistake often shows up years later. The SUVs we covered today have earned their reputation through long-term reliability, reasonable ownership costs, and real-world performance, not just marketing claims. If this breakdown helped you feel more confident about your next SUV, give the video a like and share it with someone who's currently shopping. And for more videos that uncover the best vehicles, the worst mistakes, and what truly matters before you buy, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's next.